Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust colors in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. First, we will be needing to start a new project, and that would allow us to start choosing the clips that we want to start edit. And after that, you will be able to start choosing your media, that means either your images or videos, and I'm going to choose this one. Now I will click on done, and that will take us to the editing panel or editing menu. So from here, you will be able to start editing on your media that you have just imported. And now we want to start adjust the color. And basically, there isn't some direct way to start adjusting on the colors of your images, but you can start adding filters. So for example, you can start from here, like on the emerald filter or whatever. And after that, you will be able to start adjusting it. So as you can see, you can find like the type of filtering and then raise this adjust way. That wouldn't allow you to start adjusting color exactly, but you will be able to start changing or setting the brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, and also the fade and highlights, etc. And that would allow you to control a little bit the colors of your footage. So here we can, for example, add contrast and also uh, remove or reduce the brightness so we can have a more sharp image, and also you can start controlling the color by controlling the temperature and saturation of your footage, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.